Good morning, guys, and welcome back on this beautiful morning. Alright, I have to turn around. I could do that here. Shoot, that doesn't matter. Alright, I'm heading towards Port Macquarie first. I already been there, but I want to check out something that I basically missed the first time that I was there. So yeah, this is where we are heading now. But first, let's get out of this place here. That is the motel estate, City Center Motel. So basically I was the last person left. They already been waiting to clean up my room, but hey, I taking it slow, I don't care. Checkout is until 10 and now it's 9:36 in the morning. So yeah, let's get back on the highway basically for now, or at least close to, because I want to check if there is any option for a detour basically, like the tourist routes they have here. Maybe we will find one in a second, but first let's get close to the highway and then we will check out roads ahead. I'm following here the tourist route number 12. Can't say what. Do we are heading back? I hope not, but we will see. At least the direction is correct. We're heading south, so should be okay. My navigation doesn't do his job anyway, so what can I do? Just leave it to that and just go like usual. Just follow the signs. We should eventually make it to Port Macquarie. Question now is when, because on the highway I would be there in less than 45 minutes and this will take me, I'm quite sure, maybe 1.5 hours or so, but at least I can check the surroundings a little bit better here. I checked yesterday, there's basically not much to see around here. Yeah, there will be a couple of river crossings and some small towns and villages here and there, but I think that is as exciting as it gets. Cruising along the Belmore River here to my right, and when I look to my left, it a little bit reminds me of the Netherlands and the northern part of Germany. Just super flat, absolutely nothing going on here, and a lot of farmland. Yes, but in the Netherlands you would have like boats everywhere on the river, but here not so much. So to my left we would see the open sea, if we could see anything, but we don't see the sea because the trees are blocking my view. So there is no sea to see for me. I'm getting better at my rhymes. Not. Oh boy. This looks like koala territory here. With this huge trees everywhere. And I managed to set Port Macquarie as a destination. So we should be there in roughly 1 hour. So far I cannot really recommend it. This is like absolutely boring. There's nothing to see. If they would build the road a little closer to the water, maybe I would change my mind. But here is just not much to see, and I don't even get a breeze from the ocean here. You can just barely see through this forest. It's like really thick. And over there somewhere is the shore. Maybe we have the chance to reach us here somewhere. I'm constantly looking out for some roads leading down to the beach. Should just mob around along the beach a little bit, but hey, didn't see anything so far. Maybe it will change in the next little town or whatever is coming up here. Leading down to the beach, and it also says beach access, so now it also appeared on the sat-nav for whatever reason. Let's check down to the beach. So I already been followed by a car here, so I'm quite sure there should be some access here, right? And if not, well, we at least saw the beach. Swampy area here, huh? But at least it doesn't smell bad, right? Don't miss the corner, buddy. Alright, there's the open sea. Haha, you can go down with a bike and car. But there's so much sand, and it's soft sand as well. Let's put down the bike here for a second and check out this place by foot, because I'm quite sure this will end not too good here. Alright, I took a look and decided not to go. This stuff is really soft sand, and that is the last part I want to get, and that is the last thing I want to get stuck in, basically. So I'm now trying to turn around here in this soft sand as well. Boy oh boy, I'm glad I didn't make it down. This stuff is really soft. Right. Let's get out of here. This guy is looking for some waves. Hope he can catch some. Let's check out this place. Just quickly down to the jetty and then we are out of here, I think. Because if you would have if you ride the beach along to your right, basically, what is actually not allowed, you will end up here. So let's check this one out then, eh? Camp say, no. We are not heading back. No. The heck is this monster? RH340, whatever this means. Vauxhall, I have no idea what this actually means in horsepower, but there is a boatload of people around here. I'm quite sure that everybody lives here. Let's see if we can find a spot to stop for a second here. A lot of surface around, eh? Holy moly, and a lot of people, and there's actually no space at all. No parking, buddy. So many surfers here trying to catch a wave, but there is not much going on today, it seems. So most of the people just hang around on the board. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's skedaddle. Phew, it's pretty warm, 27 degrees. You can feel no breeze here at all. It's just like a wall here somewhere around. There's no movement and all. Yeah, you guys are all way too late here. Way too late to catch a spot. And over the Hastings River we go. This to my right, the bridge is the highway. We're basically parallel now to it. Going towards Port McGuire is still 10 kilometers. Should be nothing new because we already been here. But I'm for sure will not stay in the same hotel again. That one is 100% certain. Alright, had just my lunch here, Hawk's Breath Cafe. Well, they say it's the best steak in the town. I would not agree. It was actually the worst one I had so far, so you can make out of it what you want. But that was not for me. Alright, I managed to grab an apartment here in Port McGuire. So I will stay here for 2 nights actually, and then 2 days from now I will head towards Sydney and check for an apartment there for a week, because my flight leaves in a week basically from now. So that is the plan. Now let's go to the Koala Sanctuary. There's basically one here that I missed, and it's also free of charge, so you just can walk in. I missed that when I was here the first time, so I'm now heading there. Let's see if this place is a little bit better, as I need to check these places so I can rather recommend something to you guys or not. Interesting. I think we are heading towards the motel I stayed in. The motel I stayed in is up the hill here. When I was first here in Port McQuire. Oh man. Alright. It's 3 minutes from now. It's 3 minutes away from here, so still have basically more than 1 hour to spare until I can check in the apartment anyway, so why not go there now, right? Alright, we made it. No public vehicles. Yes, but where should I park then? Because I don't want to be in the sun if possible, but I think it's not possible. Or we can, maybe. We can just park here. Alright. Took a little bit of a stroll here through the hospital area. So basically all the koalas are kind of caged up. Some of them have been attacked by dogs or hit by trains and even cars, and got like blind, or like some limbs do not work anymore, so they cannot be released into the wild, so they keep them here. It's all maintained basically by volunteers, and it's also only running by donations, so if you come here, just donate a bit, as much as you can afford. It helps. And now let's go pick up the key. I have to go to a motel to pick it up, and like, it's so annoying. But hey, it is what it is, right? Got my key. Now it's time to go check out the apartment, and then I will go for a little bit of a shopping tour, and I think I will do laundry today. And then it's time to edit some videos for you guys again. Yes. This curved building in the middle, that is where our apartment will be. So first I have to find basically the parking garage. It's an underground parking. So let's see where the entrance is, because I have no idea. Alright, I made it into the apartment, so let me give you a brief room tour before I make an absolute mess here while bringing all my stuff up. So this is the living room slash kitchen, whatever. Then we have bathroom, fair enough, and then we have the bedroom. Yeah, I will stay here for 2 days, so also have a balcony, almost forgot, and I can spy on all the neighbors. And down there is the whirlpool, I don't know if you can see just here, and on top, up all the way up here, there is even a swimming pool. So that one maybe will be used, I don't know yet, I have stuff to do. So but yeah, I will stay here for the next 2 nights, basically until Wednesday. Today's Monday. And then I will head towards Sydney, stay there for a week to prepare my bike for the shipment back to Europe. And then on the 10th we will leave to another country. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, that was it for today. I'm not really tired, but I'm kind of like get bored of all the writing already. So I'm calling it a day here, and I see you guys tomorrow on the roads ahead.